Hey guys, what's going on? Rhett here down in Birmingham. Want to walk you through another client's property and show you a little bit about what we're doing and what's going on in here. So follow us inside. So guys, really cool property here. My client Gabriel, what's up my man, purchased this house, $74,000, and I know on the channel a lot of times we're showing a lot of big rehabs, and I like to show those because I like to show you guys what we're capable of taking care of and what really isn't that big of a deal. This house right here, $5,000 in rehab, gonna be done super quickly. Really excited to show kind of what we're into here. Guys, these are all the ceiling fans. This is a graveyard for ceiling fans. Like I always talk about, it's one of the first things we do. We get people inside, and number one, we take all these puppies down, we put new light fixtures up, okay? So guys, this is our formal living room in here, okay? We're gonna repaint this room. It's just got some wall damage just from pictures hanging and certain things in the walls, so we're gonna take care of that, okay? Off of this main living area, this main living room, guys, we have our bedroom number one, okay? In really good shape, not really planning on doing much of anything in here, okay? So, good as it is, everything looks good, we're happy with it. The floors in here in this house are really nice. We have original hardwoods in here, and we have a laminate plain flooring in here, okay? So guys, coming through here, we have more of a formal dining room, okay? Again, we have LVP in here, in good shape. We got a nice green in here. Not my choice, but not terrible, okay? Nothing that we have to paint over. I don't think that that's necessary, okay? Coming into this hallway, guys, we have entrance to the room that we just left, okay? Nice. We have our bathroom, which is beautiful. Came out really good, and guys, you know, this was like this, so this is not stuff that we did. This is a short rehab, and these are possible. It's just about having patience and finding the right properties, okay? I find a lot of times when I do, when clients buy properties like this, there's not really much to show you that needs to be done. I want to make sure I'm always teaching on the channel instead of walking you guys through homes that don't really need a lot of work, but this is one of those, so I always like to mix these in, okay? So guys, coming through here, we've got red walls. Now, this is, the green I'm okay with. I don't like the red. So the red is something that we're going to change. We're gonna repaint this room as well. We're gonna paint it to match the other rooms of the house, probably a white or a gray, something to make the room look bigger. Red is, it's kind of an anxious color. I don't like that at all. So we're gonna change that out for sure. We have a closet here, not too sure why there's a lock on the closet. I don't know who you're trying to lock in, okay? A little spooky, all right? And then guys, coming off the back here is going to be our final bedroom. Now, the problem with this bedroom is it does not have a closet, okay? In this room right here, we have our water heater, okay? This is not gonna work for us as a closet. So what we're gonna do is we need to find a space to build a closet in this room. Not many places. So we're either gonna build one right here, a nice small closet that'll come flush with this door, or we're gonna semi-block off this window, which I don't really wanna do, but we really don't have many options. So we're gonna have to make it work either right there, and then basically if we do build it here, we'll build it right here, and the back of the closet, the water heater will be accessible through the back of the closet, or we'll just build it here and not have it interfere with the window. That's something that we're talking about right now with our contractors to see kind of what our best plan of action is for that, okay? Guys, walking through here, we come into our kitchen, okay? Which is really nice. We have a little dining nook in here for a nice kitchen table. Really cool, nice and cute. And then we have our kitchen. We have tile countertops, newer sink, looks brand new to me. So this house, guys, in really, really nice shape. And even off the back right here, we even have our rear exit to the back of the house with our washer and dryer hookups and a nice little laundry room right off the kitchen. So I really love this house. And one thing that we have done is we put GFI outlets in to make sure that we're compliant with Section 8. And guys, other than that, I mean, not a lot of work that needs to be done outside of kind of some small things, building that closet and doing some drywall work and some paint work and some mudding work, doing outlets and new light fixtures, you know, in and out of this thing, guys, $5 grand. So, and done quickly. It's not all the time we're doing these big, large-scale rehabs, and I want you guys to know that there are houses like this out there, and there's plenty of them. So I just feel like sometimes when we do these videos, you guys, you know, you're not really learning much. So, but I figured I'd show it, and super happy for you, Gabriel, and ready to get this thing finished up in the next day or so and get it tenanted. So, guys, thanks for watching. Leave your questions and comments below. I'll get to all of them, and we'll see you next time.